Hey family, just showing my quick meal on what we did today for Sunday, which is some smothered chicken, which is a family favorite. And I was just making the roux for it and adding the chicken broth to it to get it with a creamy sauce. And then we just put it in the pan with the onions. The chicken, we kind of slightly fried it, not all the way through, just slightly fried it. Put the onions, put the sauce. It's all in the oven baking. I baked it for about 2 hours. And then, yum, 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 there she is. So just wanted to, my husband here is skimming the grease off the top because we don't want it greasy. And of course, chicken does render a lot of fat. Here it is all done. We have already ate some and I'm just so happy to get it. I didn't even record it, so I'm going to go ahead and plate it, but I wanted to show you how tender the chicken is. And this is my second plate. But I figured, oh, I didn't even show y'all. So, okay, I said, okay, I'm still hungry, so. And I tried to make the rice real nice and pretty, so I put it in a cup and dumped it out so it'll be a little uniformed presentation-wise. But this is a family favorite. I love smothered chicken because it's so good. Originally, I wanted chicken and dumpling. So I was like, it's not hot. It's just kind of warm today. So we didn't do the chicken and dumpling, but I'll be making that when it gets a little bit colder. So there it is, all plated up, and there's a smothered chicken with rice and mixed vegetables. Thank you for watching.